Going to be okay.
The second one never really got speech back from the first.
Oh, come on, Ben.
My auntie had a stroke. She lost her speech.
Come on,
It
get
was
Ben.
right as rain in 6 months.
Doesn't rain here.
Come on. Come on. Come on, get Ben.
Insurance would have come out.
Get Ben. Come on.
Not cold, should we?
Come on.
Wrung out. Kids out here, you know, they get worms.
Come on.
You have to worm them.
Come on.
Thought you'd forgotten all about her.
Never.
Am I going too sure?
Yeah. Come on. Come on, Mama.
Hope not.
Good.
I just want a word with Mike, that's all.
Mike's gone fishing.
I don't remember fishing in the old days, Anne.
No, it's new.
Where's the river if it doesn't rain?
He took off from me last week.
Losing the streak? He was always too fond of the horses.
Not fond of them, he loves them.
Do you know where he is, Anne?
Done it before. Whenever there's trouble, he just disappears.
Come on.
Comes back
Come on.
eventually.
The other one's
Does he
suckling.
owe
That's
any
it.
money?
It's good.
No, it's not.
I think you'll find
10
it.
years and still no change.
I can't believe this.
The other one's
Jenny
suckling.
Stone started as a
It's just
stable
reacting, that's all.
lad.
Can't help herself.
He was hoping to be a jockey, but someone stole the tea money from the tap room.
That wasn't Mike. He'd have given anything to stay there.
You see, Lewis, how important it is to get the facts right. One wrongful accusation could lead to a whole life of crime.
It was only ever petty crime with him.
There was nothing petty about the Abingdon bank raid.
Mike wasn't also around Mr. Morse. He was there because other people told him to be there. You know that as well as I do.
You're very loyal.
What else should I be? When you got Mike to graft,
We persuaded him. You
Now
and
three
me
of them there.
together.
Come on.
This is what
Lazy
you
of
want.
you.
Come on.
yeah, well,
Come on.
we saved him from one sort of
It's
prison
okay.
and condemned us both to another. Sentence for life, that's what you gave us, Mr. Morse. A real old-fashioned marriage. I stuck with him and he stuck with me.
Come on. Come on.
Did you ever marry?
No.
Come on.
I can't believe it.
You should try it. Anne! Could you come? Excuse me.
Doesn't sound like much of a new life.
You're full of
here.
you lazy bitch.
Promised land full of promissory notes.
Oh, you reckon she doesn't know where he is?
Of course. He's protecting him, as always.
Protecting him from what?
Himself.
Come on.
Why should a woman like that waste her life on a man like him?
What do you reckon
Happy will
about
go
this?
in the minute.
About what?
I do frighten the old lady.
I don't know. Let's hope it's a coincidence. Small place like this, the local police should have a pretty good idea.
If you pushed him off that chair, she'll go for it.
Go. Go,
Oh, I can't wait. What for?
go, lady.
Driving around Australia. Fine second hand. Where are you going?
You
Find out how to go. Lewis.
Hey, you buy them cheap in Sydney and spend a year driving all around looking. Takes at least a year, apparently.
We haven't got a year, Lewis. We just as roasting the square inside next Monday.
Go, girl.
Are they crawling there?
Slowly. They're calling around each other more than anything else.
This one is running through the Damali.
What?
Damali.
Bird's Eye Simply Fish, supporting ITV3 evenings.
To prove just how tasty Lloyd Grossman's Italian sauces are, we're testing his bolognese sauce in the place it was invented, Bologna. Lloyd has his own take on
Now close that.
adding a squeeze
They're
of
moving
lemon
close
juice to
all the
bring
time.
out the full flavour of the tomato.
Move.
No. Lazy chunk.
Why don't you put Lloyd to the test tonight?
I can't believe
My
it.
secret
Be
is
interesting to
showing
see
you
what happens if Furby turned up now.
New Colour Reach Boosting Serum from L'Oreal First.
Yeah, she knows she's going to go there.
Collagen and hyaluronic acid at the core of a lipstick. Voluptuous colour that doesn't feather. Lips are plump with moisture and defined. New Colour Reach Boosting Serum from L'Oreal Paris.
Hello. Today we're going to demonstrate how to make spiffingly refreshing and tickling tasting cradded alcoholic ginger beer. Take a chilled bottle out of the refrigerator if you're lucky enough to win one. Serve it with a lashing of ice. And to finish, a slice of exotic lemon.
He won't get down.
The lemon peel.
No, he's not impressed with the idea at all.
Ginger beer, only for grown-ups.
Right now, there's 25%
No.
off all two clothing. Great
You out.
stuff. Only
Huh?
for Sainsbury's.
If you go out.
No, he's going up.
There's that annoying pain. And here's down with ibuprofen. This could be a job for Nurofen Express. Nurofen
That's
Express.
when it's crawling towards the womb, towards the
Standard ibuprofen tablets found
fireplace.
in the supermarket.
Move.
Nurofen Express.
Move. Get him.
Some pain.
Move. Get him.
Our best ever shine with new Finish Quantumatic. It's
Yes, I'm going to.
I think she's
Clips into your dishwasher
letting them
and
sort it out
you
amongst
use
themselves.
detergent with rinse aid and salt included. It automatically releases one dose of this powerful formula for our best ever shine and clean. For 12 washes, new Quantumatic Finish the diamond standard. Now you can get £3 off at finish.co.uk.
Go get him, man.
I think it's too hot for that one there, no?
No.
And there's one air freshener that's in tune with it. Air with Freshmatic is an automatic spray with 3 settings to choose from, so you control the amount of fragrance released, all through the day, for up to 2 months. Air with Freshmatic. Set it to the rhythm of your
Push
home.
her out. Just push her out and she'll pick one up.
Good to be home.
Come on then.
Move.
Everybody.
Move then. Come out of there.
Effective moisturizing.
Go on.
Even for eczema. Trust Magic Proven E45 cream. E45, a #1 selling brand for dry skin. Deodorant innovation from Garnier. New Garnier Mineral 48-hour deodorant enriched with mineral
Won't
oil.
go.
48-hour protection.
Too lazy.
48-hour
No, it's not to do with laziness, it's something
48-hour
else.
odor prevention. Allows skin to breathe.
You want it or not?
New Garnier Mineral 48-hour deodorant. Garnier. Bailey, best shared with friends.
It's Harvey's Such a Hard Price Spring Sale, and this Thursday there's an extra 10% off absolutely everything. That's also with plenty of bedrooms. Hurry, extra 10% off Thursday, 9 a.m. to 9 p.m.